Okay guys, so my dough has been proofing or rising for about an hour, and as you can see moisture in there. Let me take it off. It's actually doubled its size. And here's the fun part. So this is where you're gonna start shaping. Here I have a pan or a tray, and I laid it with aluminum foil and sprayed some oil on the bottom. And you're gonna punch this dough down, and now the dough doesn't stick to your hand, see? Okay. You're gonna divide this. Let's see, push it. Don't take out all of the air. This is how I divide my bread. I go like this. Okay. Sorry. My finger was in the wrong place. Okay. So I take half. This ingredient makes about 12 loaves. So this first half, I'm gonna put it on the tray. And what I do is I just make it into another half, like that. Right. Then I'll make another half. Oh, I'm sorry. This is gonna make a 6. So this half, I'm gonna divide them into 3. This one, and this another one. Okay, I'm gonna roll this into a nice ball. I don't know if I can do it with one hand. But you roll it into a nice ball, and you're gonna place them all neatly, spacing them out evenly. I'll go ahead and do that, and I'll show you what it looks like.